This Pedagogy Premiere is part of a series focused around language activities which can be used in class to introduce and practice a wide variety of vocabulary. For simplicity, in each video the activity will be explained and modelled using one language. The key vocabulary for other languages is then shared at the end of the video. The activity in this video is called Show Me. The teacher or leader says,
Montrez-moi.
and names an item. For example, montrez-moi un crayon. The learners then have to show that item. Initially, we would ask them to just listen and show. Once they are more confident with the words, we can ask them to listen, show, and repeat the name. Eventually, once they've learnt the vocabulary, we can build to asking a learner to say montrez-moi and select an item. If you aren't confident saying all the objects, then you could use the sound files in the 5 resources or in another resource to say the objects for you. This provides an opportunity to model language learning skills. You can ask your class to listen to the sound file or recording and then to listen to you and decide if you're saying it correctly or not. If not, can they tell you what is different? This activity can also be used with other vocabulary, for example with colours, using coloured pens or pencils or similar that you have in class, or with the numbers. So that's
Montrez-moi.
And in Spanish we would say muéstrame, muéstrame. While in German we would say
Zeigt mir. Zeigt mir.
Thank you for watching this Pedagogy Premiere. We hope you found it useful.